See, what was the question given here? We need to find the integration of, this is our cosecant x by simply cos square of, this is 1 plus log of tan x by 2. Is it okay? The whole thing into dx. So directly we are not able to solve. Why? Because here this is a theta. So if you take cos of something, this is in the form of a theta. So we need to get rid of that. So what I will do, I'll simply replace our 1 plus log of tan x by 2 as a t. Let me check what it will be. So we know that one derivative will be 0 plus, what is log x derivative? 1 by x. So 1 by x is this whole thing. I will be writing the whole thing, which is tan x by 2. Agree, and again I'll try to apply the derivative for that with respect to x. Is it okay? So from this what I'll be getting? 1 by, this is simply tan x by 2. What is the tan x derivative? We know that tan x derivative will be secant square of x. So secant square of x by 2 and x by 2 derivative will be 1 by 2 into dx must be equals to dt. If you have any doubts in any of the step, you just try to pause it and let me know in the chat box. I'll let you know how to proceed for further. Is it okay? Yes, I feel like you understood. Let us see. So this is in the form of secant square theta by tan square theta. So we already know that 1 by tan is nothing but cot. So I'll write it as a cot x by 2. This is simply secant square of x by 2. This 1 by 2 I'll take it outside. Into dx must be equals to dt. Is it okay? We know what is cot formula. Cot is nothing but cos by sine. I'll write the same thing here. This is cos x by 2 by sine x by 2. We know that secant is the reciprocal of a cos. So this will be cos square x by 2 into dx must be equals to dt. See why I have written here, because actually I can cancel one cos from here and from the numerator and the denominator. What I will be getting here, denominator will be 2 times sine x by 2 into cos x by 2 into dx must be equals to dt. If you check this carefully, this is nothing but our formula. What is the formula here? This is in the form of 2 sine theta formula. What is 2 sine theta? This will be sine, sorry, this is not sine, just a second, I have said in the opposite way. This is in the form of sine 2 theta, not 2 sine theta, sine 2 theta. The formula will be 2 sine theta into cos theta. Is it okay? Yes. So I'll try to apply the same formula here. So this will be 1 by, this will be sine 2, in place of a theta I'm having x by 2, I'll replace as it is. Dx must be equal to dt. So finally what I'll be getting here, this x I'll try to cancel. I'll be getting 1 by sine here. Is it okay? So I'll write it down. 1 by sine x dx must be equals to dt. Now try to cross check what we are having here. Try to send this term to the right side. What I'll be getting here, dx is equals to sine, I'll send it to the right. This is in the form of sine x into dx. I think you don't have any doubts up to here. So let me try to substitute here. What I'll be getting here, let me solve integration of cosecant. This is our cosecant x by, this is cos square, this whole thing is t, into, what is our dx from here? This will be sin x into dx. Is it okay? Integration of, this is cosecant x by, this is simply cos square of t. We know that sine is a reciprocal of cosecant. Actually I can write it as a cosecant x dt, not dx. Actually this should be a dt. Is it clear? Why I am writing? Because I can actually cancel cosecant x here. So finally I got 1 by cos. What is the 1 by cos square? So simply I can write it as integration of a secant square. Okay, if you feel like let me do one more step, I will be left with 1 by cos square t into dt. We know that 1 by cos square will be secant square t dt. Is it okay? We know that secant square derivative will be what? So tan x. So I'll write it as a tan t here plus c. So finally what is our t? I'll be getting tan of, what is our t here? Try to check. This is of 1 plus log tan x by 2 plus c. This is our final answer. Is it okay? If you have any doubts in this, let me know. This is the notations what I'll be doing. Everything you have to write in your paper only. Is it okay? All the things. Okay, fine. Thank you.